If you want to boost speed on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, in that case we can go to the security app, and then in here we have a couple of options that we can use. For example, at the top we have a little scanner that allows us to optimize our phone quite easily. So if you tap on the optimize button, you can just wait a couple of seconds until it is done, and there we go. You can also see some additional suggestions that you can go through, of course, but it is not really necessary. Another thing that we can do is use the boost speed option in here. So if you just tap on that boost speed button or tile, you should be able to run it. We have all the information about what is going to happen if you decide to boost the speed. So of course we're gonna close running third-party apps, some system apps as well. So if you're ready, just tap on boost speed, and there we go. Simple as that. Besides that, another thing that I can recommend you to do is check out the RAM boost. So in order to do that, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna open settings, scroll down in here and choose additional settings. Then here we should be able to find memory extension, and you can use one of these available options. By default, at least in the case of POCO X8 Pro, we have 6 GB selected, but we can switch to 12, for example. However, in order to actually save that change, we need to reboot our phone. So you will have to reboot it. You can also do this later on if you decide to not do that right now. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.